again. So we have started our tree, that is our organization tree from whom? The principal. Okay, so principal is root of our trees, correct? Okay, so again I'm writing in short way. So that's why this point is completed. This is our principal is a root of our tree. I'm writing here this is a root. Okay, then after that these are the what? Who is the child of principal? That is HOD. We can say okay, the head of every department. So I'm representing it is in H. Okay, so we are representing likewise. This is what? HOD of all the department. This is what? The child of parent root node, that is principal. Okay, again HOD, after HOD there are professors are there. So we can again representing in P. These are the professor. Okay, here also this is what? The professor. Okay, after that the shape is changed, but you have to concentrate on particular one shape. If you are considering circle, circle. If you are considering ellipse, ellipse. Likewise you have to represent it. Okay, fine. So these are the professors. Means this HOD is what? Internal node. It is also called as what? Internal node is. Then professor, after professor we can say SCTB class. Okay, these are the branches of professor. So we can say that here SC class, then T class, and B class. Okay, likewise we can represent it. Okay, so this is what the child of professor. Okay, so SCTB we can represent. After SCTB, what is the child of SCTB? Yes, after that the CC come. CC means class coordinator. I'm representing this one here. I'm representing likewise this point I'm showing here, so you can understand that. SC. Okay, fine. So SC class is given. After that, after SC, SC class, that is CC, every class having separate CC. I am representing only one child here, one part of tree. Okay, then after CC, who is the next? Student. Okay, so student is the child of that CC, means the leap node is student. Okay, so likewise you can represent. Representing it now using annotation, but you have to represent in proper way. That diagram is given here. Okay, so everyone has to draw our organization tree. Likewise I am representing only one part here, that is parent, then HODs, then principal, principal, HOD, professors, then class coordinators, then student. Okay, so likewise we can represent the any organization tree or any kind of concept. If you want to represent the tree of only the student perspective, suppose the students having two association, that is space and CSI. So according to space, CSI, this is the main root of your tree. Okay, so likewise you can represent any type of कंसेप्ट इन ट्री डेटा स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, उसका आप हायरार्किकल मैनर में कौन से भी एप्लीकेशन को रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. लेट्स से CSI is one tree, it's a root of that, means parent of that tree, and what are the child of it? The CSI coordinators is what, or space coordinator is what, the child of that tree. After that, who are the president of it, who is the treasurer? So likewise you can represent the tree of that organization. Means you can represent any kind of application concept what you have, you can represent in tree data structure. So this is the concept of actually general tree. इसको क्या बोले जाएगा? It's a general form, means there is no limitation of branches and all. Okay, this is called as GT. GT means general tree. It is the root node having multiple siblings, sub trees or childs, again the sub child, or it is called as a root of this sub tree. इसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? This is what? Sub tree. And sub tree having again root of this tree, again it is having child. So likewise you can represent any kind of organization in tree data structure. Okay, so actually it is consist of major concept is it is a parent child relationship. Okay, so this is a general way you can represent any application in tree data structure. I hope everyone clear now the general tree how we are going to represent it. Okay, so clear to all everyone? Fine, so you can represent. This is our task that I'm giving you, that you have to represent your tree data structure, our college organization, or if you want to represent your hostel representation, hostel के जो भी है main rector, then sub rector, then students, so all you can represent it. Okay, So you again you had to represent tree in your relationship. For example, your grandparent, then parent, then your father, then child's likewise. Okay, so you can represent tree data structure there also. Fine. So these are the basic concept of tree terminology that we need to focus on. Okay, so before that I'm going to show one important part here. This is a tree data structure. It's filling. You can concentrate that it should be filled from what, टॉप टू बॉटम. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट. ट्री डेटा स्ट्रक्चर हम लोग कहाँ से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम. अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट GIF you can easily understand that how the tree data structure is represented. Okay, so this is our what, root node. This is a top. Okay, it is called as a top. Okay, and from top it should be fill up, and means our main root is here. Okay, and always remember that we are filling the tree from left to right. Okay, we are filling the tree from whom, left to right. Just concentrate on this GIF only, so you can easily understand. Just see, one is filling first, then two is going from left to right. It should be from left to right only. Okay, just understand this concept. So why it is filling from left to right? What is the concept behind it? Each and every concept having specific meaning in tree data structure. Why it is filling from left to right? You might be thinking that, madam, can we fill up it from right to left? ये 1 2 3 4 ये लेफ्ट टू राइट ही क्यों जा रहा है? Why we are not filling from right to left? What is the reason behind it? Reason is so simple, because it's,
First root it's come.
yes, root is come. I agree. Root come first, then child of that root filling. Yes, but why it is filling from left to right only? Why we are not filling from right to left? Anybody? जैसे आप GIF में देख रहे हो, 1 के बाद 2 3 4 हम फिलअप कर रहे हैं, तो वो 4 3 2 ऐसे क्यों फिलअप नहीं हो रहा है? What is the reason behind it? Is there any reason? What do you think about it? Anybody? I hope everyone clear the my question, what I want to say here. Cleared? It's clear or not? Question is cleared? माई क्वेश्चन इज दैट, ये वन फिलअप होने के बाद, ये रूट है, रूट के बाद वो कहाँ से फिलअप कर रहा है? लेफ्ट टू राइट डायरेक्शन. बट आई वांट टू फिलअपिंग फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट. व्हाई इट्स नॉट फिलअपिंग? मीन्स मैं बोल रही हूँ ये राइट टू लेफ्ट क्यों नहीं जा रहा है? व्हाई इट्स नॉट फिलअपिंग फ्रॉम right to left? Is there any reason behind it? Yes, it is having a reason, because the Indian tendency, Indian culture, we are always writing any concept from left to right. We are not writing any from right to left. Right to left कौन दिखता है? The Pakistani people, है ना? We are Indian people, so our tendency from left to right. That's why it is flipping from left to right. Okay, actually the tree also flipping from right to left, but it's not in our Indian culture. Got it? What I'm saying? That's why it is always from left to right, and Pakistani people will they can write from right to left. Always remember that. That's why it is from left to right. I hope everyone clear now. This clear to all, dear student.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. I hope everyone clear now. So why it is flipping from left to right, this concept also cleared, and this is the tree concept that we have to represent it. And always remember that original tree having only one root, and the sub tree. This is what? This is the main root. Okay, and this is a sub tree of our tree. Everyone can understand. This is what? Sub tree. So ये sub tree का कौन child है? कौन रूट है? सब ट्री जब मैं कंसिडर करूंगी, दिस इज सब ट्री ऑफ ओरिजिनल ट्री, सो टू विल बी द रूट नोड ऑफ दिस सब ट्री. I hope everyone clear. So this is the concept of tree data structure, and what is subtree, what